Hello and welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets. Christmas means different things to different people. To me, it's all about having friends and family over and of course indulging in food all the time. Today I'm going to show you a really quick recipe to make some cookies for Santa. I'm going to start with flour, and I've got some ground almonds, and of course oats. I've got some dried apricots, craisins, pistachios, that's for the Middle Eastern twist, and I've got some sunflower seeds. Seeds are really good and have very healthy oils. I've got pumpkin seeds, sugar, and I've got some butter, and I'm going to give all this a mix. I'm going to add cardamom powder, again my Middle Eastern touch, but it really gives an amazing flavor. Cinnamon powder, baking soda, and now finally, again my Middle Eastern touch, I've got some date molasses, around 2 tablespoons. And finally, I have 2 eggs. And now, time to get hands dirty. See, I can smell the cardamom, it's amazing. I'm going to scoop it with my ice cream scoop. You have to make sure they're not too close to each other because they will expand a little bit. "25 minutes have passed. I just leave them to cool on the tray itself, and once they've cooled down, they're just deliciously moreish. It's not a flapjack and it's not a cookie, it's just that very good in between. Merry Christmas!